So after seeing a lot of agents which is responsible in a physical weathering, we have seen the physical condition of the rock and temperature, diurnal difference in the temperature. Now we will see about the action of water, how the water will plays as a major role in a physical weathering. Water has a very pronounced difference, very pronounced role in weathering. Whatever the rock was disintegrated by the physical condition or differential temperature will be carried by water. Those disintegrated, where disintegration will break down by the rainwater, and that will be transported. That broken pits, whatever the disintegrated part will be, that will transported and deposited in the another location. This is how the water plays a major role in a physical weathering condition. So water act as a disintegration and transportation and deposition agent. So what will happen due to this current will moves as shown in this. I'm sorry. So this is for your preparation. Next. So what happened as the current velocity, water current velocity is very fast. Where if I want to say that as a current moving at a water current moves at the speed of 15 centimeters, 30 centimeters, 2 meters and 9 meters per second, can carry the very fine granules, very fine sand gravels and sand and bulldozers of several tons respectively, as shown in this image. So the greater amount of the suspension matter, quicker will be the disintegration. So what will happen when if the amount will be the dispersion of suspension will be the more, means the disintegration will be more. So this is why the reason this is why the reason why the greater amount of suspension, so hence why the disintegration of rocks is greater near the source of the river as compared to the uh, than at the mouth of the river. That means at the source, when the source of the river is a more, disintegration will be more as compared with the at the mouth of the river. So another important factor in water involvement is a frost weathering. I want to say this one, you see. So what will happen, as there will be some cracks will be there, water will be enter into this crack. So water seeps into this crack. Water seeps into this crack. Then afterward, what will happen when the temperature will changes? As the temperatures goes down, it will be freezes off. The temperature will be freezes off and expands up to about 9% in the volume. So in this small volume, what will happen? Water will be expanded and wedges a part of the rock with the repeated freezing and thawing. This is what I'm in a very in a previous video I have told, that freeze or thawing cycles will repeated. The rock will break down into small pieces. So water will form. As the water is freezes, it will expanses. Space will be expanses. What will happen? The rocks will be break down into two parts. We want to say this is, so what will happen? What will be collected in the cracks? What will be freezes and expanses and the cracks, and finally it will break down. This is called the frost weathering, freezing and thawing, if you want to say. Thank you.